Hey, so finding, tracking, and analyzing events on Eventbrite is usually a manual mess, scrolling through listings, opening event pages one by one, and copying details into spreadsheets. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically collect complete Eventbrite event data in minutes using this scraper by Parsforge, which you can find on Appify or in the link down in the description. P.S. No coding required. This is built for event organizers, marketers, market researchers, business professionals, and investors. So let me show you how it works. You can use the scraper in two ways. Either you paste a direct URL from the Eventbrite page, or you fill in the filters. To get the URL, let's say I'm looking for nightlife events in Miami, and I'm looking for events this weekend. Once you set all your filters, you simply copy the URL and you paste it in here. And we can start the actor that way. If you instead want to use the filters, you can input the city, the category like music, business, the date filter like today, tomorrow, this weekend. Make sure it uses this syntax, the format if it's a conference, festival, seminar, and the price filter. You can also choose if you want online events only, and also to retrieve the organizer data. Just remember that you can only use one of both, so since we'll use a URL, we'll leave this one empty. We set the maximum number of items, we'll choose 15, and then you can set the actor on a schedule. For example, if you want to check every Wednesday what events will be on the weekend, we can set it for a weekly schedule. For this demo, we'll run it once. And now we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents one event, and you'll get the event title, the image, the URL, the date, the start time, and you'll even see if there's tickets available or if it's sold out. You can even check, for example, if it's free or if it's paid. All of this data you can export into a JSON, CSV, or Excel file. You can use this data as an organizer tracking competitor events and pricing, marketers to discover the sponsorship and partnership opportunities, researchers to analyze event trends by city or category, or professionals who build networking and conference calendars. All without manual browsing. So, if you rely on Eventbrite for market research, networking, or competitive analysis, this tool turns a manual process into a few clicks. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you enjoyed this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.